To allow or deny install unknown app from Quick Share in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find apps, and then tap apps. Next, tap apps more icon or three dot icon. Select special access, and then scroll down the screen. Tap install unknown apps. Scroll down the screen. Find Quick Share. And then on Quick Share, tap switch until blue to allow Quick Share to install unknown apps, or tap switch until gray to deny. Tap switch until blue to allow, or tap switch until gray to deny Quick Share to install unknown apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.